It's fucking dog. He's clowning this cat.
What's the place over there? What is that? A rock?
The lizard that doesn't move.
The cat's getting.
You should have seen him. He puffed up earlier like a Halloween cat and chased him all the way to the other end of the house. Dude, I thought he was just going to chase him until he got him. They've both been doing this shit all day.
Look at it.
This shit I gotta deal with.
Something's gonna happen. Oh, he likes cat.
Oh. You know what's the cat?
No way. No way.
Oh, he's gonna jump up there. He's gonna jump up there.
There's a cushion between them.
Cat just hisses and goes under the playpen.
It's like Anderson Silva, dude.
I know, right? He's just clowning him the whole time. He just fucks him up in the end. Oh, man. Ugh.
Yep, it's done.